Okay, guys, this is what is an MCP. Let's try and keep it under 90 seconds. So, an MCP is a thing that gives AI hands, not just a mouth. So, think of a universal plug adapter. So, every tool has its own socket. We have Gmail, Google Sheets, CRM, they all plug in. The MCP is the adapter. They all plug into the MCP. Now, the AI can use them all. We don't have to custom wire them all up. Okay. So what does it stand for? It stands for model, like the AI, context, the tools and the data it can reach, protocol, a shared standard for connecting them, model context protocol, MCP. So it lets the AI do, not just describe, okay? For example, you ask Claude to send an email, Claude picks a tool through the MCP, calls a service like Gmail, and it sends the message, not just talks about it. How do we plug them in? Well, we can add an MCP server. You can find them on GitHub. You can find them online. You can even make them yourself. You connect the tools, and your maybe agentic AI can see the tools, it knows what to do, set some guardrails, and act upon your behalf with your permission, hopefully. So what do we use them for? Well, we use it for Gmail and the calendar to read, draft, and schedule, Google Sheets, N8N, and ClickUp. I had really good success with the N8N MCP and the Google MCP, Google Workspace. So next we're going to talk about what is an AI agent.